Holland lost from Austria. Yes, not good news. But anyway, the tournament is not finished for Holland. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku in today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 25th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and 4-star Sudoku. It's time for the Jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will finish this regular puzzle, double 87. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. So I don't think it's a 3 stars. Maybe a 0 stars or a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 0 stars, 14 or maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, question is this a 1 star, a 3 stars, or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box, or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box here. Single box always a 1. No, another one here. So, this one should be also a 1. Okay, now, next question. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. I see here 1 dual box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. How about triple boxes then? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2. And this triple box should be here. So the 1 and the 3 are left. Let me mark those. Here, another triple box. The 1 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, we have a 4 already, so this box should be a 5. More triple boxes? No. How about quarter boxes? I see here a quarter box. There, quarter box. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, these 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this quarter box are the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. Here, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. The other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Well, it's already filled in, the 5. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. My next shape is the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape, only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. Where you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Oh, wait. A 3. Then the following shape. How about this shape? And draw this shape here. Do we have space here? Here. Yeah. Let me draw this here. Well, maybe I make this line too long. Okay. This shape here, you remember that if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only one in this puzzle. And I see another shape that you need to recognize is this shape. Let me draw the shape here. Then when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, I forgot to place here also a 1. It says the same number. Okay. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes. Oh. Forgot this quarter box. Oh. Well, these two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Alright. Okay. Now. Let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes I marked with a 3, a double 3. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place level 3 in this triple box should be here. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then. Let me think. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box level 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1, this box can be 2. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 and more. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place level 2 should be there. So 1 box left in this triple box for number 4. Alright. Then, let me see. Let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 1 and 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 5 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Well, I don't think this box should be a 1 because if I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it should be a 4. and is connected with that box, should be also 4. Is connected with this box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be 2, this box can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, but also those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here or there, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 2 in this quarter box should be there. Alright. Then this box, these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 2 and 4. Then this box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Difficult part now. Okay, let me solve this one. These are 3 boxes. So 1 and 3 can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. Then, let me see. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here. Could be there. Well. I need to think here. I need to think. 4. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes, oh, we already have a 3 here. This box could be a 2. Could be also a 4. Overlooked. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Overlooked. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. And if eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And if eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we also 4. So if eliminated here the 2, so the 2 supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Same numbers, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles collection. Until then, bye bye for now.